What's up, YouTube? G Vision's back with another one. We got something different today that we're gonna be trying. So we got this kit called Brewsy. Basically allows you to take any type of juice, 100% juice, and turn it into wine. So what we're gonna try today is we're gonna try to make some white grape, or I guess white wine, right?
Yeah, white
wine. And so a little bit about this kit. So this is something we seen on the internet. We seen some ads about it. So I was like, well, you know what? We like drinking wine. Let's try it out. So supposedly, from talking to the people in customer service, we're some of the first people in our city to try it. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see how it is. So the contents of the box, when you get the box, you get a little welcome kit inside there.
To join the club, you have your label stickers for your wine. That's inside the envelope.
And then you have these toppers. These is like, I guess, to vent the juice while it's fermenting. So you use these to kind of vent them. And then these are the pre-mix bags, I guess, with the yeast and whatever mystery powders that you use in order to turn this 100% grape juice into white wine.
So how many does this one bag make?
So it says one bag can do, it all depends on what type of wine you're making. It can be anywhere from 64 quarts up to 1.5 gallons. It just depends whatever type of wine you're going to be making. So with us being, with her wanting to make a white wine, and she wants it to have a sweet flavor profile, that means we're going to use, I already looked up the calculations to make white wine using this kit. And because we're going to be making white wine and the sweetness level she wants, we have to use one whole bag for this here. So if I already looked up the recipe, they have a website. You type in what type of juice or what type of wine you're wanting to make. And with us making white wine, it says that we need to pour out 1.57 cups of juice and add 0.75 cups of sugar back into it. So what we're going to do now is get the juice out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll be right back with y'all. All right, so we got the juice measured out, we got the sugar measured out. So the recipe called for us to take out 1.75 cups of juice. So that's what we got in here. And then we also had to do 189 grams of sugar, 194. That's close enough. So we're going for a sweet. We're going for a sweet wine anyway, so there's nothing wrong with that at all. So next thing we got to do is dump in the sugar.
Six and a half hours later.
Our sugar in there, and it's time to add in the magic Brewsy bag. So this is basically what makes the magic happen. Let's see, that's pretty much what it looks like right now. We have to shake it up. They say shake it up until pretty much all the sugar is dissolved. And that's what we're gonna do now, is go ahead and shake it up. Shake it.
Move somewhere.
All right, so we got everything mixed up. We got the yeast and whatever. It is I don't know. It definitely took a different color. It's cloudy now. So next thing we got to do is put this plug on.
Stink.
And I guess this is what's gonna vent it while it's fermenting. So there's a fill line right here. There's a fill line right here that we gotta fill up with water. And that is basically it. So we gotta put this in a dark, cool place for 5 days. Let it do its thing, and we're supposed to have some delicious sweet white wine. So last thing we got to do now is you got to name your wine. So where's those labels at?
Over here. I'm gonna name it after I taste it. You can't.
You got to name it now so while it's sitting, baby.
It says so. We disagree because he think he in control of everything. I don't want to name it until I taste it.
When we taste it, we're going to drink it. So you're going to drink it and then label it? You want it sitting with a name on it.
How you name a wine and you don't know the taste? How you don't know the flavor of it?
It's white wine. It's white, made out of white grapes.
He a man. He don't know. Wine. I'm sure people name their wine based off the way it tastes. Positive.
Let's give a wine a name. What you gonna call it?
I don't know because I don't know how it tastes.
Like pizzazz, Grape 8.
White pizzazz. Is that what you said?
Yeah, Grape 8. Grape.
We're gonna call it Twisted Grape.
Twisted Grape. All right, put your date on there. Born on December 25th.
I don't know who was born on December 25th because it wasn't me.
When the wine is born. And there it is. So hopefully in 5 days we should have some delicious white wine. Based off the instructions, it says after the first 3 days, we got to shake it back up, stick it in the refrigerator, let it chill for the next 2 days. We got to constantly shake it up once a day. That'll keep everything going. There's supposed to be some sludge on the bottom, so when we get to it, that's going to be normal. But it says we're supposed to have some delicious white wine after this whole process. So we can't really say if we recommend this because we haven't tasted it yet, but we will be doing a follow-up video.
We check back in 5 days. We'll let y'all know.
So we'll definitely do a follow-up video in 5 days and let y'all know if this is a gimmick or if it's actually legit and if it actually works. I can tell you this, if it does work, we will be ordering additional packets. We got some more juices that we're gonna try. We have a cranberry one we're gonna do, and we also have a grape. One thing they recommend is to make sure that any juice that you do use, that it's 100% juice, is not from concentrate. So we went out, we found juice that was 100%. There's no added sugars, nothing additional added to it, and those make the best wines. Like I said, it came from Brewsy, BREWSY.com. I'm gonna post a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. You can click the link there, they'll take you directly to the website and you can purchase it from that website. But other than that, I appreciate y'all.
You can do more than one wine at a time. You can actually do 3 at a time if you like, or you can just do 1 at a time. It does have 2 additional
toppers, I guess.
Toppers and the mixes in here. So you can do more than 1 at one time, or however you choose to do it if you decide to try it out. But that's your option.
Really any negative reviews on it, so, but you never know if those reviews are paid for or if they're legit. So I figured we try it out ourselves and give y'all our honest review on how the whole thing went. So other than that, pretty much gonna call this video a wrap.
We out.
One last thing, I want you guys to please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share the video. And if you guys have any suggestions on anything else, leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to read them and check them out. All right, y'all. Anything you want to say?
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Peace. So we made the wine. Didn't come out the way we was expecting. Actually came out pretty horrible. So I dumped all that stuff out and started over. We went with a grape wine this time. So we about to test it out. It's supposed to took 5 days to do it, but it's been sitting for like 2 weeks. So we about to try it now and see what it tastes like.
Hi, YouTube. Hey, Happy New Year.
So here we go. So like I said, we got rid of the white wine. We ended up going with grape. The white wine was horrible.
It wasn't horrible. It just tastes like yeast.
I think we put way too much.
It was strong.
Well, I put too much yeast in there. I didn't measure it out right. So this one I measured out right. So we about to try to see what it tastes like. So here we go.
So to New Year.
Right.
Good luck to us making
I don't
it
want
to
a
work
full shot.
tomorrow. Hey, we all taking a full.
You are like we taking a shot of alcohol. This is wine.
I've been drinking tequila.
Jesus, touch that.
All right, here we go.
Wait. Just a smell.
Hold on, let's smell it.
DJ, check the fries. What, is your hands clean?
Smell like wine.
Wait, isn't there another thing you're supposed to do too? Oh, we can't swirl it.
Come on, what's it?
Swirl it.
Happy New
Cheers.
Year's late.
Where the money resides.
All right,
Toast it to the money.
Where the money resides.
Let's taste it.
I was better fitting.
It's actually pretty
It
good.
is pretty good. It's very good. What they say.
So what you think?
You can turn water into wine.
I
boy, you
think
better
it is
fix
very flavorful. Real grapey.
So it looks like the grape was a success. It was very, very good. What you think? You didn't give me your opinion on what you thought
It was good. It was very, very good. It tastes like wine. It tastes like actual wine that I would drink.
So to give y'all an update, this is the kit that we use. It was the Brewsy Kit from Brewsy. And what I messed up on last time was I put a whole bag of yeast in there, when I actually was supposed to put a third in there because I only did 64 ounces. So we got that right. Comes with the kit to make your wine. You can pretty much do it out of any wine. The more 100% juice it is, the better. So everybody said it came out good, so it's a win-win. So we definitely be doing another flavor. This one was grape. We did a sweet version, so we put our sugar in there. I think we ended up doing 3/4 cup of sugar and let it sit. It does seem like if you let it sit longer than the 5 days they tell you to, it comes out way better. But it's actually pretty good. We definitely gonna drink that. So, all right, y'all, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.